Cognitive SEO marketing, and SEO honest review. Watch before using. Most people get SEO tools wrong. They assume all platforms do the same thing or that SEO success is instant. The surprising truth about cognitive SEO is that it's a comprehensive marketing and SEO platform that goes beyond rankings, helping you uncover backlink issues, track keyword performance, and optimize content strategy. You won't believe how detailed the insights can be. Here's how it works. Cognitive SEO offers modules for backlink analysis, rank tracking, content optimization, and site audits. It identifies toxic backlinks that may harm your site, tracks keyword movements across search engines, and helps analyze competitors' SEO strategies. For example, a digital marketer can use the backlink analysis tool to remove harmful links while monitoring new opportunities. Most people get this wrong. They think checking rankings is enough, but SEO involves multiple factors, and cognitive SEO provides a holistic view of your online presence. Additional benefits include a content optimization tool that scores articles for keyword relevance, readability, and engagement potential. Users praise the platform for actionable insights, visual reporting, and the ability to spot issues before they impact traffic. However, there are considerations. The platform can be overwhelming for beginners due to its depth and range of tools. Most people assume SEO is simple, but cognitive SEO's value comes from using data to guide strategy over time. Pricing is mid to high tier, reflecting the professional-grade features. In conclusion, cognitive SEO is ideal for marketers, agencies, and businesses looking for a detailed, actionable SEO platform that covers everything from backlinks to content strategy. If you're serious about improving your search visibility and online authority, this tool is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and SEO platforms.